are. I've got these little thermal glovies because I suffered yesterday, so I'm going to give them a whirl. But yeah, bike soaking, absolutely filthy. Oh, look at it. But look at that. Damn. That's absolutely mental. Just the scale. I slept like a rock last night. I was in bed by sort of 10ish, I think. Woke up at 9, so what, 11 hours sleep. Fucking needed it. Trouble is with these gloves is I now can't do my jacket up. Fuck me, mate. Damn. So yeah, we are heading to Lake Como via the Splugen Pass, which is going to be wild. It's finally stopped raining. It's supposed to be dry all day today. However, where we currently are, it's still kind of there's a lot of like low cloud and mizzly shit, but we should come out of that pretty quick. Fucking hell, it's mental. Right, I think we are good. Oh, look at it. I was actually going to try and find a car wash on the way, but I don't see what the point is. Yeah, gotta wear earplugs when you do this many miles. You gotta wear them in general. Oh dear. Yeah, so Lake Como, Splugen Pass on the way. According to the internet, the sun's coming. It's going to be about 25 degrees, but we've got a little bit of altitude at the moment, so there's a lot of low cloud, so that should burn off later on. But no more rain, I hope. It's kind of spitting-ish at the moment, but yeah, it'll be fine. It's not going to be anything like yesterday. I'm actually kind of glad, as bad as yesterday was. All that rain just dropped all in one massive something. It was like one massive monsoon, and but it does mean that it's not going to rain today, and hopefully the day after. Actually, it's kind of a weird time to be in Europe at the moment. The weather's like kind of like the UK. It's bipolar as anything. My helmet smells like a ball bag. So does my other helmet. One thing I've found being in like France and Germany is all my stuff smells like cigarette smoke. It stinks. Views for days. Roadworks for days as well. Everything feels damp. It's horrible. I tried to dry it out the best I could, but oh man, I woke up at like 5 in the morning and I had an eyelash in my eyeball. Oh my god, I was in pain for like an hour straight trying to get this fucking thing out. Managed to get to sleep afterwards. Awful. Did the old, like, you know, you grab your top lash and pull it over and then you gotta like blink. I was doing that for like 45 minutes. It was just pissing me off. Why does my neck tube smell like an ashtray? Oh, it's nasty. So what we got? About 5 hours of riding today. It's about, what's it say, 3.5 hours to the Splugen Pass. And then, yeah, about a couple hours from there down to Lake Como. But Obviously we got a couple of fuel stops on the way. I think I need fuel now, so we'll just stop wherever we find. So one thing I've noticed in Europe is you either get like 20 fuel stations all in the same place, or you could go, I think I went like almost 200 miles yesterday, and I was literally, my tank was dry, and I was just like coasting around in neutral trying to find a petrol station, and then lo and behold I get there and there's like 6 in the same place. But you think with like such a remote area, they, I don't know, try and scatter them out. It's alright if you're in a car and you can do like 600 miles on a tank, but of course I know people that have done this on Harleys, and yeah, you don't get a fuel gauge, or you'd be lucky if you could get 100-ish miles on some of them. Fuck me, man. Look at it. While we're here, I'm going to talk about things you should take while riding around Europe. I'm not even going to write a list. This is going to be like so unprofessional. Number 1, thermals. Doesn't matter if it's nice weather, take thermals. Because when you're doing a bit of altitude, or the wind picks up, or you get a little bit of rain, fucking hell, you get cold quick. And if you're cold, oh, you're miserable. I've got like, obviously I got my jacket, but underneath I have like it's like a spring snowboarding hoodie, which is insulated. I wear that underneath like the whole time, even if it's like 22, 23 degrees, I'll wear it underneath. I'd always rather be too hot than too cold. When you're too cold, it's fucking miserable. If you're too hot, just stop and get some water. And you can always take layers off. Hearing protection is a big one. I made the mistake, so I was riding up to Folkestone to get the Eurotunnel, and I rode from, you know, like central Cornwall up to probably around Exeter without them, and my head was ringing. And it's not even like the loud exhaust, it's the wind noise. And I mean, this helmet is supposed to be fairly okay for wind noise, but even then it can be deafening, especially when you're on the Autobahn, Germany, and you're doing, you know, I think the fastest I went there was like 140, 150 miles per hour maybe. There's still people flying past me, and my head was just getting beaten up. And this is where I almost died yesterday. Couldn't see the road markings because it was so wet. Oh my gosh. I can imagine on like a clear blue day this would be absolutely phenomenal. Let's close that, get a bit breezy. I'm such a shit rider. As soon as it's a bit moist like this, I get a bit like, I don't trust my tires. I really should. I'm always worried that I'm gonna like low slide, just like taking a corner. I'm more concerned about the amount of money I spent on carbon fairings that are just snapping off and fell over. I just had to pull over and fix my GoPro because it's full of water. Somehow it didn't die. I think because I use the media mod for my audio, like microphone. Apparently it's not waterproof. But there we go. Let's try again. So we're going up there apparently. But there is a fuel station. Look at that waterfall. They're everywhere. It's nuts. Snow up there as well. Shall we? It makes you feel very, very small. Holy. I'm just, oh, I can't stop smiling, my cheeks hurt. I'm just scared to turn the, I need to save batteries for later, but I'm like, every time I turn the camera off, just something else pops up. Oh, look at that! I don't know what that sign means. I've got a feeling this video is going to be a long one. Oh, I have to save batteries, I'm sorry. Look at it! So here we are, the Splugen Pass. We're just making our way up now. I can't stop laughing. It's absolutely insane. That's the first police car I've seen this entire trip. There's a lot of snow up there. It's starting to get really cold. Mental. I'm going to try and do this all in one take. I've got about half a battery left. I got one more in my pocket. So yeah, we'll see what we can do. Down the other side is just as insane. This is crazy. There's a lot of ski lifts. I'm guessing these are like ski runs in the winter. It'd be epic to do this. Having a quick shifter somewhere here is just a game changer. The revs down for the police. Wow. Oh, it's freezing. Crazy. What was that? What is that? Oh, it's a gopher. Hello, mate. Come out to get some nuts. Is that what they eat? I don't know. Oh, this is a tight one. Ooh, yeah, boy. No one coming. Let's go a bit wide. Yikes. Oh. cracking up. Oh, it's in shorts as well. Another 1.4 kilometers to the top. Ooh, this is a small one. Oh shit, if you fell down there, you are not getting your bike back. Look, all the snow! Should've brought my board. I'd imagine that's absolutely solid. Hey buddy! Oh god. Little bastard's gonna cause an avalanche. I've seen Ice Age. I know how this goes. Oh, it is cold. What temperature are we on here? Try and pay attention to the road. 8 degrees. It was 22 at the bottom. And we're still climbing. I'm still recording, that's good. Woo! 100 meters to the finish line. Yes! Oh, sick! We did it! Photo opportunity, and there's Italy. Oh, great photo opportunity. Lovely, lovely Swedish guy said, "Would you like a photo to prove that you came here?" I said, "Yes, please." Oh, we're in Italy. This is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th country. 6th country in how many? 3 days. Mental. Oh. What an experience. If you have a bike and you've never done anything like this, do it. Oh god. And we're on the descent. This water can piss off. Oi. Fuck doing that. Ooh. Bike's running crazy rich right now. Oh. Hear it crackle. Back brake, back brake. Yikes. Why would you cycle up this? What's wrong with you? Saying heavy traffic plus 4 minutes, there's nobody here. It must be reading people's speeds, I guess. I keep burping. Sorry about the sniffs as well, it's got really cold up here. 6 degrees. Oh. Look at it, dude. Wow. Wow. Downshifts, man. So good. Listen to it. It's just firing. That cold, dense air. The Blue Devil's loving it. That glacier water, glacier, glace, glacier, so blue. Wow. Anyone for a swim? Oh, that sun's lovely. 9 degrees, we're climbing. Oh, it feels so good. Wasser. Cows for 6 kilometers. Oh, my nose. Look at it. It's just unreal. It doesn't look real. Fuck. Damn, look at that. I stop here? Oh my gosh. Be right. Quick photo. Photos or it didn't happen, you know? Yes. Get on. Oh, he's living the dream. Now look at that. Unreal. I'm going to skip forward a little bit because I'm on my last battery and I want to show you guys Lake Como. So I'll show you a little bit of Italy and then I'll jump forward because I don't want to miss the last bit because it's supposed to be quite epic. That view, man, look at it. Sick. Sick. It's fucking sick. It's just sick. Right. See you in Como, boys. What the fuck? There's so many sheep. Literally just passed in. That's where we came from, in between that valley, and it's just mountains everywhere, like the whole place. It's just this weird flat spot. The lake is right here, you can kind of see it, it's the tip. There's this flat spot and then it's just surrounded by mountains. It's just wild. It's cooking too. So nice. What are we on? 27 degrees. Oh, this whole day has just been crazy. Thank you, sir. I think we crossed this bridge and then we got like a bit of a coastal road kind of thing on the side of the lake all the way to the hostel I'm staying in. But what an area. Oh man, look at it. We're still 38 minutes away somehow. I think these are just slow roads. But I'll cut in and cut out and try and get all the best bits for you guys. This place is mental. Back into town. BMW GS up my asshole right now. Maybe he wants some. Maybe he wants some juice. Yeah, look at it! We made it, Lake Como. Ran out of battery basically just around the corner as well, but here you go. Not bad view from the room. Sweet. So tomorrow we're headed to Rimini. Yeah, should be a pretty straightforward ride. I think most of it's motorways because it's a long way, but I am knackered, way overexcited from earlier, and I need a beer. So, see you in a bit. Ciao.